Hello, today we will find the median of the grouped data. See the Excel sheet, group values. For instance, the age of the customers, they have been grouped together. Persons of 15 years of age, they are 5. 25 years of age, they are 2. So like this, frequencies are given. The total frequency is 52148, means 7 plus 1 8 plus 4 12 plus 8 20. And when we find the median, it should calculate 20 divided by 2. The 10th value should give us the median. For instance, now the 10th value will come here when it is 23. 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 4 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 8 plus 4 12. So 12, now it is the 10th value is falling in this, so 23 we should be our answer. Now the system should calculate. I have already started Anaconda and I am going to launch Jupyter. Jupyter has already started. I will select new. From new, I will select Python 3. The Python 3 has been uploaded and we are going to write the command. Our first command will be import pandas as pd numpy. Then we will have to find out the values, frequencies, and then we will have to define the median, how we are going to find the median. So I'm just going to write the commands one by one. My first command is import pandas as pd, import numpy as np or py. Okay, py. And then we are going to define our df data file, which pd will read. Pd dot read, because this is a csv file, so this is csv file, not excel file, so I am writing it pd dot read dot underscore csv, and then I am going to write c reverse r and then c forward slash, I'll see the location, and then I have pasted the location here, paste forward slash test1.csv inverted commas closed, and we will see whether there is any issue. We can run it, and now this data file has come into our system, value, frequency. Now we will create another array, say for instance value val is equal to df, our square val df data files value, because this is the data files value which we are taking it up to the whole list, and then we will see fq is equal to df. Now this will be frequency and dot to list. So we can test it also whether it is running properly or not. We can write down here value, it will whether the value is given or not. Yes, it is coming up. Now we are going to define our median. Define median, which is another variable, you can say, value, comma, frequency. This has been done in part 2. But here now difference for median. We will have to define another variable, ordinary, ORD is equal to py dot arg, ARGSORT. It will sort. Sort what? Well. Okay. Then we have got another variable CDF, cumulative frequency. Okay, so that will be py dot cumsum what? Frequency. That will be there. So what it will return? It will return value. It will return value py dot search sorted, because it will first sort it out and then search what? CDF, comma, CDF minus 1, that is behind this, and then it will be divided by 2. Okay, so this will be the, and then we have to see median value FQ, whether it gives the returns or not. Let us see whether this works or not. Yes, it is working. It is giving us 23. It is giving us 23. Now, what are the new commands? Here we are going to define the median. This is any variable. We can create any variable. Ordinary is py dot argument sort argus arg sort dot within bracket value. So this median, it is going to define, after this there is going to be column, and then it will give us the return value by sorting it out, that CDF. Let us change the value in our CDF file. So let me see, this is going to give me 30, this is going to be 40, and here I am going to write another 28, and here I am going to write 7, here I am going to write, say, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 7, 19, and here I am going to write 11. So let me see what is going to be the answer. I am going to write it here, all the commands which are above. So import pandas SPD, all these commands are there. So I am going to run this. This is basically the simple commands, and now it is coming as 18. Thanks for watching. In our next video, we will find out the median with the class interval data. Thanks. Next video. Wait for the next video. Thank you very much. You may submit your research work at Journal of Global Economy, rcssindia.org. Your work is evaluated by peers with double-blind methodology. You will get comments for your work. Thank you.